flowers. Wait, don't we all love puppies? This makeup tutorial can help you transforming yourself in a charmingly cute puppy with huge, innocent and begging eyes. With the right colors and tricks, it's super easy and you can pull the puppy look off too. So let's start! Get your base makeup finished. Then we're going to make our face look smaller and slimmer by contouring it with the colors 2 shades darker than your natural skin tone. Apply the color by swiping a small or eyeshadow brush along the sides of your nose. Shade your upper brow bones for a deeper eye look. Using a white makeup pencil, line the center of your nose and blend with your fingers or a makeup brush. Make your chin even smaller by contouring it too. This is optional, but for a puppy eye look, I recommend golden brown or brown circle lenses. I'm using golden brown 16.5mm circle lenses. For the eye makeup, choose white eyeshadow and apply under your eyes and from lid up to the brow bones, highlighting your eyes. Pick a white makeup pencil and color your waterline, making your eyes appear bigger. With an eyeshadow brush, apply brown color on your lower lash line and eyelid. Connect them both by creating a soft edge in the outer corner of your eye. Use an angled brush to color your crease in dark brown eyeshadow, creating inducing puppy eyes. Now it's eyeliner time. Lining the lash line can be tricky, so just find out a way how it works best for you. Here already come the eyelashes. Apply the eyelash glue on your hand surface and slide the lash band through the glue. Wait a few seconds, then stick the upper lashes by setting them a bit off and pulling the outer end a bit down. Hold both ends for a few seconds. Stick the inner end of the lower lash to your lash line and connect the outer end with the upper lash. Then fix the lash band's position. This will give an illusion of huge eyes. Apply dark brown eyeshadow on an angled brush and create a shadow in the gap created by the lashes. For the lips, I recommend lining them first in a natural orange or brownish color, then blending them with your fingers and applying matching lip gloss. And with that, we've completed the puppy look. I wish you guys a lot of fun trying out this makeup. See you in my next video.